Good morning, everyone. This is Rashekar Reddy, Mechanical Branch, third year. Model number 23 4G 180322. Today, my topic is types and classifications of jigs and fixtures. My subject is machining process. Subject code 23 MEC 501. Introduction to jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are essential tools used in manufacturing to guide and locate cutting tool and workpieces. They improve accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency in machining process. Understanding their types and classifications helps in selecting the right tool for specific production needs. Definition of jigs and fixtures. A jig is a device that guides the cutting tool and holds the workpiece during machining. A fixture is a device that securely holds the workpiece in correct position without guiding the tool. Both are used ensure precision, reduce operator and increase production speed. Classifications of jigs. Jigs are classified based on their design and application such as drill jigs, milling jigs and turning jigs. Drill jigs are used primarily for guiding drilling operations accurately. Milling jigs guides the cutting tool in milling operators to ensure precise cuts. Types of drilling jigs. Template jigs are used template to guide drilling and are suitable for small batch production. Substand jigs provide multiple drills holes simultaneously for increased efficiency. Hanging or split jigs are designed for easy placements and removal of workpieces. Classifications of fixtures. Fixtures are classified based on their function, such as turning fixtures, milling fixtures, and grinding fixtures. Turning fixtures hold workpieces in lathe for machining operations. Milling fixtures are used for holding workpieces during milling processes. Types of milling fixtures. Plain milling fixtures are used for simple milling operations on flat surfaces. Index fixtures allows for precise rotation of workpiece to machine multiple fixtures. Special fixtures are custom designed for complex or union workpieces. This diagram represents the plain milling cutter and its elements. Special jigs and fixtures. Special jigs and fixtures are custom made for a specific part of operation to maximize efficiency. They are designed to simplify complex machining processes and improve accuracy. Examples include welding fixtures, assembly fixtures, and inspection fixtures. Advantages of using jigs and fixtures. They increase productivity by enabling quicker setup and operation. They improve quality and consistency by ensuring precise precision. They reduce labor costs and operate fatigue during repetitive tasks. Consideration for choosing jigs and fixtures. Compatibility with the working workpiece dimensions and shape is crucial. SI of handling, setup and adjustment should be considered. Cost effectiveness and the expected production volume influences the choice. Conclusion. Proper classifications and selection of jigs and fixtures are vital for efficient manufacturing. They play a significant role in improving accuracy, quality, and productivity. Understanding different types helps in designing and implementing effective machining solutions. Thank you. This is my PPT for machining process